Hi everyone, welcome back to Learn with May. In today's lesson, we will learn 50 random English Tagalog words that you can use in everyday conversation. These are simple, useful, and perfect for beginners. Get ready, listen carefully, and repeat after me. Let's start learning. I, ako, ako. You, ikaw, ikaw. We, tayo, tayo. Us, kami, kami. He, siya or siya. She, siya. Him, siya. Her, siya. They, sila, sila. Them, sila. This, ito, ito. That, iyon, iyon. Here, dito, dito. There, doon, doon. Who, sino, sino. Why, bakit, bakit. How, paano, paano. When, kailan, kailan. Where, saan, saan. Yes, oo, oo. No, hindi, hindi. Not, hindi, hindi. All, lahat, lahat. None, wala, wala. Ilan or some, ilan, ilan. One, isa. Two, dalawa. Big, malaki. Small, maliit. Good, mabuti. Bad, masama. New, bago. Old, luma. Hot, mainit. Cold, malamig. Fast, mabilis. Slow, mabagal. Day, araw. Night, gabi. Man, lalaki. Woman, babae. Boy, bata or batang lalaki. Girl, bata or batang babae. Friend, kaibigan. Love, mahal. Food, pagkain. Water, tubig. House, bahay. Work, trabaho. Great job today! I hope you learned new English Tagalog words that you can practice every day. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe to Learn with May for more English, Tagalog, and Bisaya lessons. Comment below your favorite word from today's lesson. See you in the next video. Keep learning and keep improving.